This is Patches the Clown. Patches is approximately 42 inches from the top of the head to his feet. The head is completely carved out of wood. The hands and the feet are all carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. I use a ring lever for the mouth, which I find this works best. I used this on all my figures when I was doing shows, and what's good about it is you can use your finger or your thumb, or left or right handed. It doesn't matter, because I got the line right in the middle where you really want it to be. I've had them off to the side, but sometimes it gets difficult depending on what hand you're using. Clothes wise, he would wear a size 4T or 5T. If you ever have to do repairs inside, something hangs up in the mouth, you take the staples out of the back of the wig here and lift it up. There's a screw on this side and this side. You take those screws out and this back piece will open right up, gives you plenty of room and access in there if you ever have to get in there. So if you're interested in patches here, you can reach me on my Facebook page or my YouTube page at Daniel Cousino. I have many figures on there. If you see anything you might be interested in, drop me a note there, and if I have them available, we can talk about it. So thanks for watching.